YouTube. What's up, baby? We back outside. Welcome to Coach O Outside. Listen, your boy been out of commission, man. I've been out of commission. I had shoulder surgery finally to repair a torn rotator cuff that happened over a year ago. So I had to lay low. You know what I'm saying? It was a workman comp situation, so I can't be out, looking like I'm out here doing craziness. So we back outside. This is the first spot we're gonna try out. You know, I'm going on a decline with. So right now I have repaired knee, but patella tendon in my left. My patella tendon was repaired, and also now I have the shoulder that's repaired. Let's see if we catch a fish or two, man. It's a little late in the evening. 4:45 on a Sunday in the summer. Let's see if we catch anything. This spot's been good to me in the past. Let's see if we get anything. Yeah, you know, I made a few casts. Probably about 5 casts, 6 casts. And I'm realizing I don't think there's much here. So I'm gonna move on. What a beautiful view though. Check out the view. What a beautiful view. First fish. First fish. First line down. All right. Mayan cichlid. All right, let's go. We're going there. Bluegill. Bluegill, but small. Small bluegill. We're letting him go. Line's moving. Good fish. All right. All right, let's go. Mayan cichlid. Nice Mayan cichlid again. Listen, I'm free lining my bait. All right, I'm free lining the bait. I like to see my I like it to sink naturally and to have a more natural reaction in the water in terms of just a floating object in the water. All right. Lots of people fishing. Nice fish, nice Mayan. There's a lot of people out here fishing. Some with cast nets, some with fishing poles. This is the Mayan cichlid cut up into smaller friable pieces with the head cut off. See you in the kitchen. All right, so here we have our Louisiana fish fry in the bag. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of Maggi fish seasoning in there. Okay, Fred. A little black pepper. Chips of salt. Not much other stuff. I have salt in it already. A little onion, a little garlic powder, just for a little extra added flavor. Then we're gonna mix that up with the Louisiana fish fry. We're gonna take a taste. We're gonna take a taste of it. Good flavor. All right, so here we have the fish drying. The binder today, what we're gonna use to bind the sauce, the fish fry today, gonna be mustard. Gonna use mustard. All right. So we're gonna use mustard. All right. So let me get these fish in here. Nice big bowl. You know, got it cut up thin. We want them things fried nice and crispy. All right. Nice and crispy. All right. Yeah. So we're using mustard as our binder. All right. Going in with the cast iron. Gotta put a good amount of oil in there. All right. Right there. Let that thing get nice and hot. Yes, sir. Listen, I'm using mustard. I'm using mustard as my binder, but you could also use like hot sauce. Some people use like a egg wash as their binder. So there's different things you can use as your binder. So we have that here. We're gonna go into the fish fry shortly. Yeah, but you could use hot sauce. You know, just trying some different things, but the main thing is also, we gotta get this oil really hot, okay? So yeah, let me get the thing mixed up and let it sit for a minute. Yeah. All right, let's go over here. We have our fish fry. We have our fish with mustard on it. I'm putting it all in there. And we're gonna shake that bad boy up. We're gonna shake it till the cows come home. I think I finally am figuring out this freshwater fried fish thing. Yeah. Mustard is a binder today. We'll try hot sauce another time, and we'll go from there. But it smells amazing. Smells amazing. Hopefully, I have a deep fryer here. I have a deep fryer. Oh. I don't know why I showed y'all that. That oil been sitting in there probably for a year. I have to clean that out, but yeah, smells really good, man. See y'all in a minute. Nice golden brown right there. Start taking out some of these pieces. Yes, indeed. Yes. Got some bread. Get it ready. Some crystal hot sauce. Let's get to it. Let me let y'all know how we did. The Louisiana fish fry is excellent. With the seasoning and stuff. Excellent. Oh man. I cut it up in smaller pieces so it's easier to fry. And the fries easier, quicker, and more thorough. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I can't even taste any freshwater taste at all. The mustard is a binder. Yeah, today was I left out late to go fishing, but I was surprised to see how many people were actually out there fishing, cast netting, and doing all this type of fishing. And they were all like loading up. They were all loading up. So mine cichlid is an invasive species. Bro, I'm tripping. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. So I watched the video. Southern Star fried fish. And that's when I started seeing videos about different binders. The things you used to keep the seasoning on the fish. Man. Excuse me. That thing is delicious. Mustard have a nice little flavor, but the hot sauce with it. Nice. Next time I'm gonna use hot sauce on my binder. The fish is starting to show out. I'm gonna tell y'all something though. I'm gonna tell y'all something. The hot sauce. I'm gonna stop saying what spots I'm fishing at. I gotta be honest. Every time I mention spots that I fish at, they become overburdened with people and overran. Like I'm talking about, I've never seen that many people up there fishing. And so, for me, I want to respect the resource. And I gotta be honest, a lot of people don't respect the resource. You know, get enough to feed a family. But when I see people taking hundreds of fish, it's crazy. Finally made some Southern style fried fish. Southern style fried fish, fine. Like I was saying, the people not respecting the resource. They're taking everything. Cast netting everything. And yeah, there don't seem to be any conscientious thought about how much they should take. They're hard to wash. All right, my people. Listen, remember, this is my first time back in a while. You know, I had the shoulder surgery on my rotator cuff, so I wasn't able to do anything. But even today, I got a really late start. Just try to go out and catch a couple fish to bring home and cook. So, you know, but yeah, man. Right now, see how I caught the fish. Like I said, it was a late start. I didn't stay out there very long. Was using worm. you know, but I thought the area that I went into was overfished. So I felt like it was a struggle to catch fish, but they caught fish, but but I think I went to an area that they were cast netting, because yesterday I actually went out to kind of do some scouting, and I saw fish when I was there. But this particular time, and listen, if you're struggling to catch fish on live worm, you might want to go to another spot. That I could promise you. So yeah, man, this was delicious. Like I said, use the mustard as a binder or hot sauce. Get you your Louisiana fish fry. Man, and you can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong. Just cut it up so the meat is not too thick. Cut it up into smaller strips, and you got a winner. Chicken, fish, potato salad dinner. Let's go. Yeah, man.